Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSjams. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blank or white app icons on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, touch and hold an empty area on your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Next, tap Edit in the top left corner. Then tap Customize. Now tap the up icon style at the top of the menu. Then tap it again. Sometimes this refreshes the icon and brings them back to normal. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Then release the button and let your iPhone start. After your iPhone turns back on, check if the app icons are back to normal. And that's it. That's how you can fix blank or white app icons on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.